In this tutorial, I'm going to write a C program to check a number is prime number or not. I'm using the Windows operating system, and I will write the C program under the Turbo C++ application. Let's open it. I'm going to upload many videos relating to C program, so do subscribe my channel. Please go to file and take a new file. Now let's write the program. Put the header file here, include stdio.ice, then include io.ice and void main. I am making the main function as void. You can make it returnable type function also, but I am making the main function as void. Here just put a function to clear the screen, clear clear screen, then declare the declaration should be done here. Here I am writing command. It is a single line command, local declaration, and I will declare the integer variable to provide the integer number to check it is a prime number or not. So to declare the integer variable, we need the integer data type. For the integer data type, in is used. In is the data type of integer, and variable I will use a I and number, then count. While declaring variable, we can also initialize the value of a variable. So I will initialize the count as 0, and a variable is the name given to a particular memory area where the data has to be stored. And now write a simple text message, printf next line. This symbol backslash and the end is called next line, and enter a number to check prime or not. Then put the semicolon is must for every statement. Then to accept the keyboard input, I will write the scanf function, scanf and %d. I am going to provide the integer number, that's why I am writing d. D stands for integer, so then it is the pointer, address of pointer, and then number. It means that the number we have provided should be stored to the address of the number, and we can get it through the variable number. Then let us write a for loop for I equal to 2. I am setting the initial value of I as 2, then it will check the condition I is less than or equal to number divided by 2, and I will increase by 1. So it is the scope of the for function. And if number, this symbol is called modulus I, and I will check it with 0. In this if statement, it means number will divide by I and it will find the remainder, not the quotient, and it will check with 0. If the remainder is 0, that means number is divisible by I, then it is not a prime number. So I will set con plus plus. Con will increment one value, and I will break the for loop because I don't need the for loop to be executed anymore, as I know the number is not a prime number, as number is divisible by I. So close the and then go to the next line, then check the value of con. If con is equal to 0, then printf next line the number percentage d is a prime number, then write the number. While executing the program, the value of number should be written here. Then again add here, else. No need to write the scope of the else. Just write the statement printf. Next line, the number is percentage d is not a prime number, and I also put the number here also. And to get the instant output of our program, just write a function get ch, and let's have a look here. Under this if statement, I am using the brackets. It is because the if statement has more than one statement under the if, that is con plus plus, and break these two statement. And under in this case, the if statement has only one statement, and under the else also there is only one statement. If there is if there is only one statement, then we don't need to write the bracket. C compiler understand that it has only one statement. So writing of the program is completed. So time to compile it. Go to compile, then compile. It has no error. Go to run, then run, and provide any number. 34. The number 34 is not a prime number. Then again run it. Enter a number to check prime, and this puts number 17. The number 17 is a prime number. I will save this file. As for my previous video, I have created a folder on my desktop. So I will go to desktop and then zip. Okay, zip is selected here. Okay, then name the program as prime ck.c. Then I will press OK to save it. The program has saved. Using this program, we can check the number is prime or not only once per run. That means I can check a number is prime or not only one time while running the program at a time. And if we want to check another number is prime or not, then we have to run the program again. So to avoid this, I will make the modification of this program in my next video. So keep watching my YouTube channel, and I will upload the next video soon. And this is the end of this tutorial. and thank you for watching.